How to get promo code for chewy first order. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to get promo code for chewy first order. So simply just go to your preferred browser and on the search bar just simply search for chewy first order promo code and just simply click on it and just scroll down and you will be able to see different website which offers different coupon code. So just click on the retailmenot.com and you will be landed to the page where you can see there are different promo codes available. So just simply scroll down and select the promo code that suits and benefits you the most. So for example, I'm taking this first one. Just copy the promo code from here, and after that just simply open the different browser, and over here just simply go to the Chewy's official website. And over here on the official website of Chewy, just simply select the order or the things that you would want to buy and put these product into the cart. And once you have put the product into the cart, just go to your cart section and over here just simply make the purchase. And in the promo code section, when you will enter the promo code, and if it is your first order, you will be able to get some discount which is showing right here. So if you use this particular coupon code, you will be able to get $20 off, which if you purchase something more than $49. So if your order is more than $49, so you can avail some benefits using this promo code. So yeah, this is basically how you will be able to get promo code for chewy first order. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.